doing? So we're going to be rating my fidget today. So first up is, let me go here. Okay, so I'm gonna rate this a 10 out of 10. And oh, hi! Hi! You were in YouTube earlier, aren't you? Okay, my cat's gonna sit here while I rate these fidgets. So I rate this a 10 out of 10 because it is satisfying anyways. Okay. Let's get more fidgets. Okay, this thing is so hard. Hi! You're so cute! Okay, so, oh my gosh, I hate puppets. So hard to pop. So, for 5 out of 10. Okay, let's take more. So this, I will write it a 10 out of 10. Hey, you're biting it. No, my cat is biting it. Look how good this pops. So 10 out of 100, of course. Let's take more fidgets. So I'm only gonna do a bit of fidgets because I'm lazy. Okay, I'll rate this. Oh, no, why do you want to buy everything? I'll rate this a 10 out of 10 because both of the sides are loud. Okay, last fidget I'm gonna be rating is this white mochi. I know it's a bit dirty because it's been a long time. I don't know why it's dirty. So I write it's sticky. Did you just yawn? Oh, you just did yawn. You yawn. You're so stupid. Okay, so I rate this a 5 out of 10 because it's not really good. Ugh. And that's it.